There's a bright red tractor on Springhill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the
day.
Here's Tractor Tom.
Tom, 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 what would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray, we couldn't do it without you.
One chilly winter day, Tractor Tom was waiting to start work.
Hi, Tom. I don't like the look of those clouds. There's no point trying to work today. Let's go back indoors.
So Farmer Fee went back to her warm kitchen. And Tom went back to the barn, where Wheezy started to tell a very long story about something or other that happened such a long time ago that even he had trouble remembering it. Out in the fields, the animals were trying to keep warm. Mo was jogging. The hens locked themselves in their house. And the sheep were trying to get their central heating to work. Everyone was miserable. Even Whack and Back, and they liked being cold and wet. Mad didn't like being cold and wet, but he was, because his caravan had a hole in the roof.
But I'll be okay as long as it doesn't rain. Oh no, it's a thunderstorm.
Tom heard the thunder too. So he asked Buzz to help him make sure that everyone was safe. Winnie was very frightened of the storm. So was Snicker, although he tried to pretend that he wasn't. Tom had an idea. Why didn't they go to the barn, where they'd be dry and warm? Tom and Buzz agreed that they should collect all the other animals too.
Wait for me.
What's going on?
Hi, Fee.
What are you all doing here?
Keeping dry.
Good idea. But aren't you going to get very bored? The storm could last for hours.
We could have a sing-song. Or Wheezy could tell us a story.
Why don't we have a show and tell?
What's that?
It's easy. Everyone shows us their favourite thing in the world. Who wants to start? Great. Mo has first go. Look, Mo's brought her cowbells. Those are her favourite things.
Very musical.
But that's enough. Thank you, Mo.
I've got my best thing with me. My juggling balls. Not 1, not 2, but 3 in perfect synchronicity, which is a flash way of saying all at the same time.
That's fantastic, Matt.
Hey, come back, Riff. That's my favourite thing, not yours.
Who's next? No, Winnie. The idea is we bring something that we really like. But you haven't brought anything with you.
Yes, she has. She's got Snicker.
I see. Snicker's your favourite thing. That's lovely. And we all all know what Snicker's favourite thing is. Sugar lumps.
Who's next?
Riff. Riff's brought her favourite bone.
It's a bit whiffy.
She buried it months ago.
What about Purdy?
No, Purdy, you can't go to sleep. We're all going to have a go.
She'll just go to sleep somewhere else.
You're right. Purdy isn't very good at games.
Hold on. Here she comes.
Look! Purdy's brought her bed. That's her favourite thing. I wonder what Whack and Back are going to bring to the show and tell.
I think I can guess what it's going to be. Whack's favourite thing is back.
And Back's favourite thing is Whack. But it's not. It's something else. It's their teddies. Your turn, Buzz.
It's that new set of tyres, isn't it?
Wheezy thinks that we've forgotten him.
It's something over here, is it? Under the hen? OK. It's his old set of tools.
These tools were with Wheezy when he first came to the farm. They're as old as he is. Rev's turn.
Quick! Everyone cover their ears. I know what this is going to be. His new air horn. That's enough!
Who hasn't had a go yet? Mo, Winnie, Snicker, Purdy, Riff, Whack, Back, Wheezy, Buzz, Rev. I know, the hens.
It's your turn, girls.
Eggs. That's their favourite thing. Well done.
Oh, no. It's the sheep.
I don't like to look. What would the sheep's favourite thing be?
Nice long grass, a field of clover, little baby lambs.
No, it's a helter-skelter. No showing off. So that's the sheep.
You know who hasn't had a go?
Who?
You! What's your favourite thing?
That's easy. He's right here. It's Tractor Tom. I couldn't do without him.
Oh, right. I think he's blushing.
Come on, Tom. It's your go. He says it's me. I'm his favourite thing.
Well, I think that you and Tom should be joint winners. I have to say that. She's the boss.
Wait, the hens want another go.
They showed us their eggs already.
No, look. Baby chicks. That's the best favourite thing of all.
You're right. And look outside. The sun's come out. We can all go home.
Tom and Buzz took all the animals back from the barn. Then Tom went back to the barn to get his forklift. He was going to help Fee and Matt fix the caravan so it wouldn't leak anymore.
Another patch, please, Tom.
That was a good game, your show and tell.
It stopped us getting bored. But I'm worried about the sheep.
Why?
With all that going round and round on the helter-skelter, they're going to be dizzy for days.
There's a bright red tractor on Springhill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was a beautiful summer day at Springhill Farm. And Fee was getting her garden ready for the annual Beckton Garden Contest.
I've got it all planned, Tom. I reckon I might win this year. Yes, I know there's lots to do. But don't worry, Matt'll be coming to help us later.
Right then, Rev. Oil change time. I'm going to drain off all your dirty old engine oil and fill you up with nice clean stuff. It'll only take a few minutes, then we can go and help Fee with her garden. Right, now then, let's see. I reckon it's this one. No, of course not. It'll be this one. No, what am I talking about? It's got to be this one here. Ow! No problem. Just a slight technical hitch.
Meanwhile, Fee's garden was starting to shape up. And she and Tom were getting quite an audience. Everyone wished they had a garden like Fee's, even Wheezy and Buzz. So it wasn't long before they all went off to do a bit of gardening of their own. Meanwhile, Matt had cleaned up the mess and was filling Rev up with new oil.
There you go, Rev. All done.
And Fee's garden was starting to look like a real prize winner.
Not bad, Tom, though I say it myself. Now, let's see what's next. Oh, look, we've forgotten the big flower pots. They're still in the barn, I think. Would you, Tom? That'd be great.
So Tom went off to get the flower pots, and on the way he saw how everyone was making their own special gardens. Riff had dug up all her old buried bones and replanted them like flowers. Wheezy and Buzz had planted lots of spare parts. While Winnie had made a carrot garden. Even the sheep had got into the gardening craze and had planted some amazing woolly bushes.
Ah, there you are, Tom. What do you think, then? Still a bit of a way to go, though. I wonder where Matt is. Hello, Matt? Oh, Mum, it's you. Oh, dear. Is he all right? OK, I'll get there as soon as I can. It's my dad. He's had an accident. They don't think it's serious, but I'd better get over there just in case. about the garden now, Tom. If you see Matt, tell him what's happened, OK?
Hi, Tom. Is Fee around? I was going to give her a hand with the garden. Her dad's had an accident? That's a shame. I hope he's all right. Shame about her garden, too. Fee really wanted to win that contest. Still, what can we do? What's that, Tom? Why don't we finish it for her? You're right. She's got it all worked out. All we have to do is follow the plan. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's do it.
Matt, Rev and Tom worked really hard, and soon Fee's garden was almost finished.
I reckon we're nearly there, Tom. We've just got to finish laying the path.
But then...
Hello?
Oh, hello, Matt. It's Fee. Sorry I had to rush off like that.
No problem. Is your father okay?
Oh, yes. It was just my mum panicking. You know what she's like. But what about you? You must have had a wasted journey.
Oh, no. Tom and I found things to do, didn't we, Tom?
Oh, good. Well, I'm just setting off, so I'll see you soon.
OK, see you later then. Oh, no! Fee's on her way home and we haven't finished. What are we going to do?
Rev thought about it. And Matt thought about it. And all the while, Fee was getting closer to home. But then...
Brilliant, Tom. You go to meet Fee, and while you keep her busy, Rev and I'll finish the garden off.
Hi, Tom. What's up? Is everything all right? You've come to welcome me back? How sweet. Although I have only been gone for a few hours, you know. Oh, you've got some things to show me as well. OK, then, lead the way. That's amazing, Riff. Such an artistic pattern.
No.
Take no notice, Riff. She's just jealous. Fantastic, Wheezy. Very unusual plants. And some of them are already blooming. Did you do it all yourself? Oh, of course. You helped too, Buzz. Well, it's lovely.
Meanwhile, Matt and Rev were making one last big effort.
We're almost there, Rev. Oh, hang on. We've got an empty flower pot. Which is lucky, because we've just got one more plant.
That's beautiful, Winnie. You'd better make sure no one eats any.
But Fee thought the sheep's garden was the best of all.
Well done, you two. It's amazing what you can do with a few balls of wool. The gardens are fantastic, Tom. I only wish I'd been able to finish mine. I'd love to have won the garden contest. What's that? Matt's got a surprise for me. Great! I love surprises.
Phew! Just in time.
Hi, Matt. I can't wait to see what my surprise is.
Well, close your eyes then. OK, you can open them now.
Oh, Matt! You're a wonder! I'll be able to enter the garden contest after all.
Don't thank me. Thank Tom. It was his idea.
Tom, you're a wonder too. What would I do without you? The garden's beautiful.
And that's what the contest judges thought too.